All right, what do we got here? We got rolling thunder. Wow, that's amazing. Holy cow. Look at this. You know, I was walking along and I heard some engines, like some high-speed racing engines, and this is what I found. Oh, look at them seats. Nice. This is like a 38, I think he said, Chevy. And look at Rolling Thunder here. Look at this. Is this awesome or what? Holy cow. This is amazing. Guys, look at this. Wow. This is the way to do it. Check out the steering wheel. Man, oh man. Throttle power needs one of these, I'm telling you. This is it, Tim. This is the one you want. Wow.